Sanibonani, igama uSicelo ngokaSithebe ngiqhamuka eNkosilanga Libalele local municipality from the youth department. Into ke esiyenzile ke namhlanje sihlanganise bonke abantu abasha abarepresente noma abamele ama-ward ngokwehlukana kwawo awu-24. Nokho ngenxa yenamba yesimo se-COVID siye sayimisa ukuthi ayibe u7 per ward. Inhloso ke ukuthi sibahlanganise namhlanje la eEscort Town Hall ukuthi kunezinto abantu abasha ezingafinyeleli kubo abahlala endaweni ezikude kakhulu. So ukuthi one bezonikeza information, number two ama departments akhona ikakhulukazi asebenzisa abantu abasha navula amathuba abantu abasha njengo Department of Labour, uSIDA, NYDA nama TVET colleges azonikeza umhlahlandlela ukuthi abantu abasha ngabasiza kanjani. Umnandi kakhulu ke ukuthi abantu abasha banikezwe nethuba lokuthi bazibuzele bona imibuzo ukuthi uma befisa ukuya phambili bangenza kanjani ukuze basizakale, ngoba la sikhuluma ngabantu abasafuna ukuqhubeka izifundo zabo bakwazi uqualifya bathole i-certificate. Siphinde sikhulume ngabantu asebeqedile abafisa ukuthola umsebenzi. Ilokho okusenze sikuthokozele ukuthi ube impumelelo lomcimbi ngaphansi kohlelo loNkosilanga Libalele municipality, njengoba sazi ke ukuthi eqhulwini imeya ekhona yakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi abantu abasha kufanele kube yibona basizwe ngoba bayikusasa lesizwe sakithi. Njengamanje ke basi abaningi bawagcwalisile ama forms, abaningi bakwazi ukwenza okuningi ukuze bangene kwi-database. Njengamanje ke abaningi bazosizwa bashiya imininingwane yabo ukuze bakwazi ukulandeleka. Okuhle kakhulu esiphinde sakuthola futhi kubona labantwana khona obemenyiwe omunye owasizakala kulo lolu hlelo olufana nalolu ngenhlanhla yena usewutholile umsebenzi. Ubezokwazi ukuthi abaqinisekise abantwana ukuthi uhlobo lomcimbi ofana nalo luyawenza impumelelo. Njengamanje uyasebenza umfowethu ummeli wakaNsibande osuka eMangweni ukubanikeza isiqiniseko sokuthi uma ilandela ngempela inhlelo efana lezi ngeke bazisole nakancane.
Mina nguTheresa Hoppy from Midlands Community College in Nottingham Road in the place called Mthulini. We are a community college and we deal with the community of Uthugela, Mgungundlovu, and yeah, those 2 or 3. Yes, but anybody else who wants to come even from any other places, we do take them as well. We do programs such as upgrading matric to students who want to get more points to go into university. We do physics, physical science, maths, additional English, and life science. And also we do computers for the students that are in our college. It's a full boarding. You stay in the college for the whole year. Okay, and then we've got separate computer courses, short courses, which are run for either a month or a week. And if you each module, the one that we runs for a week, it's only a 5 days basic, and the advanced is 4 weeks, which has 4 modules. Okay, the 4 modules, one module is 1,000 rand. So if you take the 4 modules, it's going to be 4,000 rand. Then we have ECD, which I'm the ECD coordinator, and ECD, it's an early childhood development program, level 4. We deal with ECD centers or anybody who's interested on working with children in creches, preschools, okay? And it's a 1-year course. It has modules, electives, fundamentals, and core for the whole year. It's a program which we do 2 weeks in the college, and then the student goes home and does her 2-week practicals on site in a center that's near to her home. And by the time when the student is in our center, we have 3 options. Option 1 is when the student can stay in the college, full boarding and lodge with meals provided and tuition provided. That is 35,000. But we have options for payments, deposit, then monthly installments when before the student comes. And then option 2 is 23,000. It's a lodging. Then you cater for yourself, but we do have fridges, stoves, like a kitchen, where a student can prepare her own meals, okay? That is 23,000. Then the last option, it's tuition only. The student comes in the morning and leaves in the afternoon. That is 17,000. So all these this course is only for 1 year. Then after that, it's an accredited course with ETDP CETA, and you get a national certificate with it. Okay. Then we have our skills program. Skills program, it's short courses. We've got Create Learning. It's also for ECD centers. Create Learning, orientation to the learning program, and babies and toddlers. So those are like our short courses. If you are interested in children and working with children, but you don't have the money as yet, or you are working towards your ECD level 4 and 5 and 6 onwards. So you can start with your short courses. It's a 1 week course. Each course is 1 week. So Create Learning will be 1 week, 5 days, and then orientation will be 1 week. Each 1 week is 750 rand. You stay in the college, and you provide your own meals as well. So that is us with East Midlands Community College. Thank you very much.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNomusa Magubane, ngiqhamuka eMnambi TVET College under Escort campus. So eMnambi TVET College ke sinama campuses awu-4, of which it's ile esezakheni, kube khona ekwa A, kube khona ekwa E, kube nale ese Escort. Kuma courses sike ofarishayo sinama courses ahlukahlukene, sino NATED, sibe no NCV. Under NCV sinama courses futhi afola ngaphansi ka NCV ayenziwa umuntu mhlambe ogcineka grade 9, mhlambe ongenawo grade 12, of which sinobo finance and accounting namanye. Then under NATED we've got finance and accounting, sibe ne management assistant, sibe no public management, sibe na financial accounting namanye. So ke under UNATED, it's 18 months course where wenza khona amalokhuza akho, wenza khona i-theory, then uphinde futhi ube nomunye futhi 18 months la usuwenza khona i-practical whereby sibiza ngokuthi it's an in-service training. Then uNCV yena it's a 3 years course where wenza khona ilokhuza, i-theory and practical. So uMnambi TVET College ke registered, and it's a community college, and siphinde futhi sibe nawo nano NSFAS. Wonke umuntu wamukelekile eMnambi TVET College ukuthi engeze ezo apply, uqhamuke Escort, uqhamuke eMaritzburg noma uqhamuka kuphi, wamukelekile eMnambi TVET College. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sanibonani babukile emakhaya, umthokozisi wakanzama uqhamuka eminyangweni wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi kwa social development. Kwa social development ke samukela wonke umuntu, abancane kanye nabadala. Si register ama NPOs, siphinde futhi si register labo, sibhalise labo bantwana abangenabazali abazintandane. Siphinde futhi sinikezele ngama food parcels. Ama food parcels ke siwanikezela ngokosizo luka council. Uzothola i food parcel, uyahamba uyobhalisa ku council. Kodwa ke siyesibacele kuma sibadinga abantu abazothola ama food parcel, senza lokho kuthiwa i-profiling, lapho khona sihlola khona isimo sasemakhaya. Siphinde ke senze nani na ne-awareness campaign kwinina ku substance abuse, nani na ku gender based violence. Hey bakithi ihlava esimbi lisemphakathini, kumele masukume sisonke silwisane naso. Ngiyabonga ithuba.
Ngibingelele abalaleli emakhaya, igama uSiyanda Mbatha, ngisuka kaSida eLady Smith. uSida wenza lento esibiza nge-pre-funding support noma i-business development support. Siqeqesha osomabhizinisi ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bafundeke. Sibanika ama-supporting documents afana nama-business plan, sibanike ama-trainings, sibaqeqesha ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bathole ama-funding. Bathola ne-certificate ke edingakalayo ukuze uthole i-funding. Thina sikwenza ube ready uma ufuna ukuyongena into business world. Sikunika lawo ma-skills adingakalayo ukuze ukwazi ukucompete nabanye osomabhizinisi. Ilokho esikwenza kakhulu, sikunika nje information. Lezi certificates sisiza kakhulu ke moving forward ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ube recognized, ngoba uthi uhulumeni manje ngisize ukuze manje uqashe nabanye abantu, ngoba unemployment rate in South Africa is very high. We currently sitting ku 46.6%, which is a lot. So uyabona ukuthi kubaleke kanjani ukuthi ube usomabhizinisi. I-COVID-19 yafike yashaya kwazwela kwi-economy yase South Africa. So it's very important ukuthi abantu abaqale amabhizinisi ba create employment. That is what uhulumeni is saying. Uthi ngisize, uhulumeni is pleading with youth, is pleading with wonke umuntu ukuthi start something, start a side hustle. Bakhona uSETA, bakhona iNYDA will assist you ngama funding. Even noma thina sikunika le pre-funding support, siyakwazi ukuthi refer uthole i-funding support. Yilokho nje sikwenza kakhulu. Ngiyabonga.
Right, igama uThembeka Mavundla, ngiqhamuka kwa NYDA othukela eMnambithi. uNYDA ulana namhlanje kwi career exhibition ukuzokwazisa abantu abasha ukuthi wenzani. Si agency ke exhasa abantu abasha ngezamabhizinisi, siyaba trainer kuqala ukuthi babe ready for uku manage ama businesses abo, and then bese bethola i-funding. Asigcine ke lapho siyabalekelela ngama brandings nange marketing ukuthi bazeke emphakathini, sibatholele ama mentors ukuthi mase likhona ke business ke ngiliphatha kanjani going forward. Also bese siyabalinka to the market ukuthi likhona ke manje business, and market ingazi kanjani ke. Yeah, that's what NYDA does.
Ungashi Power Media sikushuthela umcimbi wakho ngobunono.
Yeah,